Introducing Group Chat, where you can bring together different AI agents in one space. Think of it like having a brainstorming session where each team member brings their own skills. For example, in this demo, we'll start with a marketing brief. Then we need to bring in specialized AI agents to help, from the strategy, which is a detailed communication plan, to final execution, marketing materials for each channel. Here we have a marketing brief for the summer sale campaign with target audience, channels, messaging, and offers. Please help us create a detailed communication plan for young urban professionals across multiple channels. Liv gonna uses Gemini 2.5 Pro AI model to reason, analyze the brief, and break the tasks into pieces, then suggest an action plan for every channel requested, including goals, key messages, content angles, CTA, timing, and KPIs. Cool, right? She already inputted some localization note as Liv understands clearly about the brand and the product without rebriefing. Change the AI model to Claude. It'll make the content output sound more natural and interesting. Kate will absorb all context above and continue to deep dive the tasks. Kate created a detailed document with a visual concept example created by DAL-E and key notes for each content format. You can view and download this document in details here. As you can see, Kate has prepared all the materials needed for each content format. From the Instagram Reel outline suggestion, types of interactive stories, user-generated content contest, storyboard concepts for the whole week, carousel structure, post schedule and timing, to hashtag strategy, etc. No detail left behind, just pure, actionable ideas ready to use. You can give Kate some feedback to enhance this output, or simply correct some parts and download it. It's time to assemble an expert agent in video script and filming. With optimized system prompts, Lynn's got this video production down to a science. With a simple and natural command, she took our script and turned it into a complete game plan, breaking down exactly how we'll bring the concept to life, from creative execution to technical details, like filming checklists, location notes, talent instructions, post-production guidelines, etc. If a marketing manager agent handles this task, it couldn't be that specific, right? That's the magic of group chat. Like a brainstorming session where each team member brings their own skills, domain knowledge to the table, to leverage the final output, without human effort for meticulous briefing. That's the demo for group chat. There are plenty of use cases you can work with this new feature. Try it out and let us know your thought.